For the final details of our flame tome, I'll be adding latches and bookmark details. To begin, trace your latches onto a sheet of CosBond's attach and build. Cut that out and stick it to your latches. Peel the release paper off and wrap any excess around the edges. I used a gold paint to brighten up the metal details. Begin our bookmarks, cut spaces with a book for them to fit into. Now cut the shapes you'd like out of paper. Trace that twice onto a sheet of attach and build and cut them out. Then peel and stick each to your paper template. Now peel and stick your bookmark to some fabric. Cut that out, then peel, stick, and cut out the other side. I added some details to my bookmark with puffy paint. Once that's dry, hot glue your bookmarks into place. And here we have a completed flame tome. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.